Inside the condition you want to first set the is checkpoint collision detection active to false. So we write the variable is checkpoint collision detection active to false. It did not say compare. So rather than we use an strict operator, we use equal sign to assign it to false only. Then you will need to call the function show checkpoint screen and pass in the string you reached the final checkpoint with an exclamation mark. Lastly, you will need to call the function move player and pass in the string arrow right as the first argument, the number 0 as the second argument, and then false, the boolean false as the third argument. That would be it. Nice.